Well, the sun is certainly shining today in South Wales, and one of the first things I want to do today is to get this new sign up on the wall. It's a beautiful sunny autumnal day today. The weather hasn't been really that good lately, but today is the exception. All the plants and flowers are looking really good in the garden, but the autumnal colours are starting to show now. I love autumn in the garden. It's one of the best times of year. All of the plants in the garden have reached their potential now for this year. The garden itself now is 3 years old, and it's really started to fill out this year. The banana has grown absolutely fantastic this year, and I'm so pleased with the size that's been put on the garden. This salvia has been put in this year, and it's really grown to a good size. So much so, I had to move it from its original place as it was blocking the pathway, but it seems to like it here in the centre of the garden. You've also got some salvia hot lips in the garden, and this plant has been moved around a few times. It's on its second year now, but it's never grown as big as this before. I've got 2 of these in the garden, and this one here in the centre of the garden has also done really well this year. I want to place the new slate sign on this black wall here. In the corner, we've got a Phormium plant, and that was the one that we had to cut back in March this year as the wall fell on it. The wall now has been rebuilt, and this plant has done really well this year. The growth here is only what's been put on since March. So in a few months, it's really put on a good size. So it's no good placing the sign above here, as I know that this plant is going to grow much bigger than it is now. In the centre, we've got the trellis. So I think the only place that I'll be able to put it is just here in this recess. I think it'll look really nice here anyway, especially when the jasmine grows up on the trellis and overspills onto the black wall. And just like that, when we were just about to start to put the sign up, it decided to rain. But never mind, we'll get it done another time. just come in from work now, and I've made myself a nice little cup of coffee in my new mug. And what's got to be done this evening is just to give in here a little bit of a water. The banana's looking a little bit dry there. It's not an awful lot to do in here now. Take me all of 10 minutes. And also give this papyrus here a little bit of a water, because I haven't watered it in a few days. Tony's been busy today while I've been at work. And if you could see, the sign is now up on the black wall. Well, apparently it's been a beautiful day today, but I haven't seen much of it because I've been in work. But it's lovely to get home and spend some time in the garden. And as usual, Vim is always near. I'm loving the Acer in the corner, and I think it fills that spot just nicely, and it'll be really nice when it grows tall. Also noticed today that we got some flowers on top of the miscanthus grasses. So until next time, thank you very much for joining me in the garden, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.